How to create an account in HelloTalk. So first open the application, and now from here you can see there are a lot of options. You can choose Apple, Google or Facebook. I am using Google for this video, so you can use other as well. Now from here we have to enter our email address. So let me type it. So now we have typed our email ID and password. So now this is the second screen. So from here you just type I'm from, tap here and choose your country. I'm from, right? You have to choose your own country, don't choose mine, just choose a country. And you need to choose the language you want to learn, right? Or the language you are currently learning. So for example, just tap French, right? So choose the level of which you are learning. So if you are a beginner, tap here, elementary, tap here. So just tap, I'm just tapping this, all right? Next, and then you need to type your name. So let me type mine, just keep a random one, meal. All right, so we have successfully created the account. So just skip this for a moment. So now we have successfully created the account. So yeah, so this is how you create an account in HelloTalk. So this is the way. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.